Now it is. About to throw the new and improved airplane I just broke.
Yep, right here we got tape job. Hey, you ready, John?
Ready.
I don't know which way to throw it. Okay, this is John's second trial run. Let's not throw it on the ground, please. Are you serious?
Here we go, trial run number 3.
The wing's loose.
Okay, the wing's a little loose.
Ready?
Here we go. Ryan, how do you feel right now? How do you feel?
Okay, trial number 4, let's do it.
Yeah.
That seems to be crap.
Okay, number 5, upside down trial.
Oh. I don't think you do. Why are you doing something next? Hey, do you want to go and throw it now?
Yeah, let's go.
Hey, hurry up, hurry up. Ah,
Get up, get up.
Yeah, we don't need that tail. I just stepped on it. Whatever.
The tail is...
Yeah, I broke it.
Okay, this is going to be the probably last flight for this airplane. There's a chance to redeem itself possibly though.
Back up, keep going. Way back.
Ryan's on top of the roof, I'm about to launch it at me.
Run, you bum. Okay. Ready?
Ready? That didn't work so well. The basically just hit the roof and broke into a million pieces. So this is the final appearance of the plane in its fullness. We're going to kill it for its idiocy.